I have a secret. Shh. Our website is totally ready to just for you to check out. I thought I would go live, not live, I thought I would film a video and then post it here in the group just because you are our tried and true. The ride or die people, I think it's what they say, and we just love you, and I could not wait to come on Facebook and tell you guys that our new website is up, it's live. There's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears that has gone into this site, just trying to figure out, you know, what you guys would want, how we could serve you better. We know meal planning is important to you. Obviously, budgeting with us is important. We have corralled all of our playlists from YouTube, and those playlists go way back, guys, like way back to 2011. We've been on YouTube for a long time. And then what else? So our blog, we have a blog. It's like a dream come true. It's a WordPress blog, which means it has had a huge learning curve for this mama. So I might have cried a few times, not necessarily on WordPress, just on the whole, everything is new at one time. But is absolutely worth it, and I'm so proud of the finished product. So if you're a WordPress blogger, let me know in the comments, because I certainly could use some tips. So yeah. And then our platform that I designed it on, they're awesome. They probably know me by name. I'm like, hey, it's me again. Can you help walk me through this process with like pictures? That would be great. So, but anything worth having is worth the learning curve and process. So, but I'm just so gosh darn proud of it. I'm excited for how it can serve you, how it's going to change as we change and evolve. There's just exciting things that Josh and I have planned for it. You know, we have weekly Debtisdum, we call them our Debtisdum dates, where we get together and we just talk about the future of this whole thing and where we want it to go and how we want to serve you guys. And it's just so, I wish I could say it all. I wish I could, but our website is a great place to start. So I will link the link above this video. Please go check it out. Let me know what you think. We have a brand, so we got the colors, we have our logo. I feel Josh looked at me yesterday and he said, this is like grown-up stuff. Like, I feel like we're doing grown-up stuff and it feels really good. So we've had this amazing brand for so many years, and we wanted all these things for this brand, but we never quite knew how to put it all together. And then it just started clicking and started coming together. Easily for us, minus the learning curves of all the new stuff, but it's exciting, you guys. We just wanted to invite you to come along. Our shop is there, our blog is there. You can find all of our downloads on our shop. Our envelopes are still on Etsy, just because our stash of cash envelopes, that changes. We don't always offer the same thing, so we just figure we're going to keep that up on Etsy. It's simpler that way. We love their shipping platform. And then our downloads are available, or all of our digital products are available on our website as well. And it's hooked to a shop. I actually bought something this morning and everything went through. And then there is a newsletter. So you guys can sign up for the newsletter. Please sign up for our newsletter. It's our best way to get in touch with you. Social media can be loud and noisy, but we love to communicate through email. So if you're fasting from social media from time to time, it's a great way to get in touch with us, to keep in touch with us. We have a newsletter I'm going to be putting together every week. But you'll see those forms pop up on our website. Click on those and then put in your information, and we will not harass you, I promise. But we're giving away we're giving away four cash envelope sets and full budgeting sets to 4 random people. So you get the budgeting set and a cash envelope set together. So it's just exciting. I was so excited. And so go join that newsletter, that list. You'll get us delivered to your inbox, and then be in for the drawing for these free cash envelopes. It's just fun, you guys. There's just a whole lot of fun going on. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and we just love you guys. Thank you. I'll see you next time.